The new coal chemical industry mainly produces clean energy and products that can replace petrochemical industry. It combines with energy and chemical technology to form an emerging industry that integrates coal with energy and chemical industry. With the continuous development of cutting-edge new technology, clean coal ball press equipment is also steadily innovative, such as in the noise control of the equipment. The noise of the equipment produced today is much smaller than in the past, and the power consumption is also greatly reduced. At the same time, the pellet rate of raw materials is also increasing, which further reduces the probability of rework of raw materials. The continuous development of frontier new technology, making continuous breakthrough in the field of manufacturing technology, has gradually built our country's low-carbon environmental protection standard. It is widely used in the energy chemical industry, power plant industry, transportation industry, and metallurgy industry.